What's up, my hardworking people? All the framers, all the hangers, all the finishers, all the painters, all the people who get blamed for a bad drywall work, or the people who damage it. Man, electricians number one, always changing something. The string guys, installing the cabinets or the countertops, man, always scratching something. Installing the beams, man. People with the big patches scratching the walls. No, no, too many to name. Stay tuned.